This single wall of concrete and steel holds so much weight, it slowed down Earth's rotation.
It's holding back a jaw-dropping 42 trillion liters of water.
The lake behind it? It's literally longer than the entire width of England. But now, China is building something 3 times more powerful.
A $137 billion mega project hidden deep within the most dangerous terrain on Earth. To harness this beast, engineers must conquer a staggering 2,000-meter drop.
The mission: build a cascade of 5 massive dams in a high-risk seismic zone. Groundbreaking began in July 2025, kicking off the most expensive infrastructure project in history. The first impossible step? Boring 4 20-kilometer tunnels straight through solid granite.
They aren't just building a dam, they are entirely rerouting a roaring river.
Located in the Earth's deepest canyon system, the logistics alone are a nightmare. Every piece of steel, every ton of concrete must be hauled to the roof of the world. Enter the mega borers, colossal machines designed to eat through the Himalayan bedrock.
But the mountain fights back. The rock here is under immense tectonic pressure.
Workers face deadly rock bursts, where solid stone explodes like shrapnel without warning. To survive, crews must carefully relieve the mountain's pressure inch by agonizing inch. Steel skeletons are locked into place to keep the mountain from crushing them alive. As they dig deeper, another invisible enemy emerges: extreme geothermal heat. Temperatures inside the tunnels can reach a suffocating 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
Cooling systems run 24/7 just to keep the machinery and the men from melting down.
Outside, the river itself must be tamed before the main dam wall can rise. A temporary cofferdam is violently pushed into the rapids to choke off the flow. Outside, the river itself must be tamed before the main dam wall can rise.
Millions of gallons of water are forced into the dark, artificial veins of the mountain. With the riverbed exposed, the real vertical construction can finally begin. The foundation must be perfect. Any flaw here, and the entire structure fails. Thousands of tons of reinforced steel are woven together to anchor the megastructure. Then comes the pour, a non-stop avalanche of specialized, crack-resistant concrete.
Every layer is aggressively vibrated to eliminate microscopic air pockets that could cause disaster.
Because curing concrete generates massive heat, a network of internal cooling pipes acts as the dam's veins.
Layer by layer, day and night, the colossal wall begins its ascent toward the sky. Precision is everything. The curvature of the dam must distribute billions of tons of water pressure. Unlike Three Gorges, Medog is a run-of-the-river project, designed to utilize gravity rather than a massive static lake. It's not just one dam, it's a cascade of 5 staggered mega-structures. Securing the dam to the canyon walls requires drilling deep into the treacherous eastern syntaxis fault zone. Securing the dam to the canyon walls requires drilling deep into the treacherous eastern syntaxis fault zone. These anchor bolts ensure the structure can withstand the violent earthquakes native to this region.
Deep beneath the surface, engineers carve out a cavernous powerhouse the size of several football fields. This subterranean cathedral will house the largest hydroelectric turbines ever manufactured.
Each turbine blade is a masterpiece of modern engineering, designed to capture the violent kinetic energy of the river. At 60,000 megawatts, this facility will generate triple the power of the mighty Three Gorges Dam. Water will freefall down vertical shafts, accelerating to destructive, highway-level speeds. The immense pressure strikes the turbines, converting raw gravity into pure electricity. To manage flood seasons, colossal spillways are carved directly into the mountain. Millions of tons of unstable rock must be blasted away to prevent catastrophic landslides. Controlled detonations reshape the geography of the Himalayas themselves. Generating the power is only half the battle. Transmitting it out of Tibet is a monumental challenge. Ultra-high voltage transmission lines are dragged across the roof of the world to power distant megacities. It requires brutal manual labor in an oxygen-deprived environment where every breath is a struggle. The work never stops. 24 hours a day, the 1.2 trillion yuan project consumes manpower and steel. But this megadam is also a geopolitical lightning rod, sitting just upstream of a thirsty subcontinent. Every cubic meter of concrete poured pushes the boundaries of extreme engineering. Equipment is pushed to its absolute breaking point by the altitude and the elements. Advanced thermal monitoring ensures the megastructure cures flawlessly, devoid of microscopic fractures. The floodgates themselves are the size of apartment buildings, forged from specialized high-tensile steel. Maneuvering these behemoths into place requires millimeter precision amidst ferocious canyon winds. One wrong move, one gust of wind, and tons of steel could crush everything below. Once locked, these gates will hold back the fury of the monsoon-swollen Yarlung Tsangpo. The river's flow during the wet season is a catastrophic force of nature that cannot be stopped, only managed. Quality control is relentless. Core samples are constantly extracted to verify the dam's impenetrable density. The sheer verticality of the Great Bend is what makes this location the holy grail of hydropower. By stepping the water down through 5 consecutive stations, every ounce of kinetic energy is bled dry. Miles of heavy copper arteries are laid to connect the beating heart of the dam to the national grid. The penstocks must be hermetically sealed to withstand pressures that would crush a submarine. An entire temporary city was built in the wilderness just to house the army of men constructing this beast. At the base, an armored plunge pool is built to absorb the devastating impact of the falling water. Without this armor, the water's force would literally dig out the mountain from underneath the dam. Before the river is reintroduced, every inch of the subterranean labyrinth is heavily inspected. The hydraulic systems that control the flow are the muscles of the dam, capable of lifting thousands of tons. The intake towers stand like concrete sentinels, ready to swallow the river whole. Massive trash racks are installed to prevent Himalayan debris from shattering the delicate turbine blades. Even near completion, excavation continues to sculpt the surrounding cliffs for long-term stability. The contrast is staggering. A brutalist fortress of human engineering cutting into an untouched natural wonder. Thousands of embedded sensors provide a real-time heartbeat of the dam's structural integrity. If a massive earthquake strikes,
The dam is engineered to flex and absorb the shockwave. The spillways are aerodynamically designed to shoot water far away from the dam's delicate base.
As the formwork is stripped away, the final, permanent face of the mega-structure is revealed. A subterranean curtain of liquid cement is injected deep into the bedrock, preventing water from seeping underneath. The transformers are massive metallic beasts, ready to step up the voltage for the long journey out of Tibet. After years of brutal labor in extreme conditions, the primary concrete structures reach their final elevation.
The time comes to break the cofferdam and let the river flood the system.
The blast unleashes millions of tons of water, slamming against the new concrete fortress for the very first time.
The run-of-the-river system fills, testing the ultimate strength of the engineering.
The Yarlung Sangpo is swallowed into the dark abyss of the diversion tunnels. The water strikes the Francis turbines, and the massive steel shafts begin their relentless rotation. Magnetic fields are shattered and reformed instantly, birthing massive amounts of raw electricity. 300 billion kilowatt-hours of clean energy prepare to surge across the nation every single year. The power of the Himalayas is officially tapped, ready to fuel the lives of 300 million people.
A triumph of human will over one of the most hostile environments on the planet.
The water is safely returned to the riverbed, continuing its long journey toward the Indian border. At 60 gigawatts, the Medog hydropower station rewrites the record books, leaving 3 gorges in the dust. An estimated $137 billion, thousands of men, and millions of tons of material.
5 distinct megadams working in perfect, computerized harmony.
An artificial intelligence grid ensures maximum power output without overwhelming any single structure.
A project so massive, it will single-handedly shift global clean energy metrics.
Engineered to withstand the test of time, tectonic fury, and brutal high-altitude winters. It is China's ultimate weapon in the war for a net-zero carbon future.
Every step on this structure is a walk across history. The river, temporarily tamed, roars back to life as it exits the massive complex. Inside, the powerhouse is as sterile and precise as a spaceship.
Delivering a relentless, unyielding stream of electricity to the mainland. Powering the industry, technology, and future of an entire superpower. A project that redefines what humanity is capable of building. Built to survive the violent shifting of tectonic plates deep beneath the Earth. Guarding a facility that is as much a strategic asset as it is an energy producer. The ultimate convergence of ancient natural forces and cutting-edge human ambition. A monument to the thousands of men who risked everything to build the impossible. Processing enough water every single second to fill an entire stadium. A 2,000-meter drop transformed into the most powerful machine ever constructed. 60,000 megawatts of constant, roaring power. The Medog hydropower station, the undisputed king of mega dams. A multi-billion-dollar gamble
at the roof of the world.
Where mankind looked at the deepest canyon on Earth and decided to conquer it.
This is how you build the biggest, most dangerous machine in human history.